Morning, dear children. Welcome to your GK class. Children, general knowledge is a very important part of study material. We all should be aware of our surroundings. If we have a little awareness about the things going around us, we face many problems in our life. We face difficulty in even figuring out as what do we want to become. We face problem in making decisions. So we should try to be knowledgeable so that we don't have to depend on others for minor things. So without wasting any time, let us start with our first chapter. In this video, we are going to cover 5 chapters. These are very easy chapters. So the first one is deadly creatures of the world. The deadly creatures of the world means poisonous, harmful, killing animals and insects of the world. So here the first is Cape buffalo. Cape buffalo, it is found in Africa. It is said that it can kill more hunters than any other animal. Second we have in the chapter is golden poison dart. This is a kind of frog. It is a very poisonous frog which can kill 10 adult humans or 20,000 mice. Third is box jellyfish. It is said that it can kill us within 2 minutes. Fourth is black mamba. This is the fastest land snake in the world, found in South and East Africa. Next is tsetse fly, which is also called as tick flies. Then there is assassin bug, which is also called as kissing bug. It can cause Chagas disease, which kills about 12,000 people in a single year. Next is great white sharks. These are the world's largest predatory fish. And the last one is the saltwater crocodile. It has the strongest bite force. Our second chapter is Let's Measure. It is about the measuring instruments, the scientific measuring instruments. So the first answer is it is ammeter. It is used to measure the strength of an electric current. Second one is anemometer. Anemometer is used to measure the speed of wind. Third is barometer. Barometer is used to measure atmospheric pressure. Fourth is thermometer. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature. And fifth is calorimeter. It is used to measure the heat of chemical reactions. Sixth is compass, which measure directions, specifically pointing to the north side. Seventh is hydrometer. It is used to measure specific gravity of liquids, means density of liquids. And eighth is seismometer. You can see in the picture, eighth is seismometer. It is used to measure seismic waves. And ninth is speedometer. It is used to measure the speed of a car. And 10th is rain gauge, which is used to measure rainfall. So this was all about the measuring instruments. Let's move toward our next chapter, which is about social media. Social media, children, in the field of social media, today many gadgets and technological devices are used. These devices are used in the field of social media so that people can get easy connection with each other. These days you are studying through WhatsApp. This is also a technological device of social media. So let us start with the chapter. First one is Facebook. It is social networking site. Second is WhatsApp. This is most popular, most used messaging apps. Third is Instagram. This is photo sharing app. Fourth is Twitter, where users can post messages called tweets. And fifth one is Skype. It's like a video call which allow users to communicate with each other. And seventh and sixth one is Snapchat. This is an image messaging and multimedia mobile application. Our next chapter is which sport it is. Children, we all know sports provide us with healthy inputs of life. Sports keep us fit and active. So we all should have sports spirits in us. Here the first answer is, here some clues are given. Matching with those clues, the information, we have to tell the name of that particular sport. So here the first one is basketball. Basketball is a kind of team game, team sport. There can be maximum 5 players on the court at one time. Second is badminton. It takes place with either 2 or 4 players. Third is cricket. Cricket is a traditional form of game. It is played between 2 teams with 11 players on each team. Fourth one is football. It is also played with 11 players. And last one is judo. This is a kind of sport that takes place on mats measuring 14 meter. So the players must bow before stepping onto the mat and must bow to each other also. Our next chapter is terms related to music. Children, we know that in this fast and running world, we all need music to relax, to soothe ourselves. And there are specific terms related to music throughout the world. Various composers and music writers use these terms in different ways. So the first term is swar. These are the musical notes of a composition. Second is lyrics. These are the words that make up a song, usually consisting of verses. Third is geet, that is a song or composition simply. Fourth is ghazal. Ghazal is a poetic musical song of Hindustani light music with Persian and Urdu poetic influences. Fifth is rag. It is basic organization of 13 musical notes like sa, re, ga, ma, that kind of things. Sixth is ragini. It is a feminine form of rag. Ragini. This is particularly sung in Haryana. Seventh is debut. It is first performance by a musician or singer. That is debut performance. Seventh is playback. Playback music. It is a pre-recorded music soundtrack given by an actor, mimed by an actor, upon which a singer or actor act. That is a playback music. So here our last chapter is. So here we finish with the chapters. I hope the chapters were very easy and it is clear to you. Thank you, children.